Hi, this is Doreen with WTI. Let me share with you these clear semi-sealed plastic baggies that makes my homemade treats look so professional. These are 600 counts. They come in 200 packs, 3 packs of these already packaged like this, so it's easy to keep them neat and organized. What I really love about these is that they are semi-sealed, which means that one side is already sealed, so all you have to do is fill it up and seal it with your vacuum sealer and you're good to go. This really saves a lot of time, especially when you're making a lot of treats at once. The size of it is really great because it's easy to use it to store other things like your vitamins. Since it's clear, you can see what is actually inside of it, and you can write on it with a marker, so it's easy to label it as well. I just really love these cute baggies from Hustar, but that's just my point of view.